So we're looking at some very useful accessories. These are exclusive to the Havens line. We developed these accessories earlier this year. This is our drop-in strainer. This is something that has had great results with our customers. They've been more than thrilled to find out this is something that you can use inside of your sink. It's a basket for being able to dry dishes, as well as a basket for being able to prep and cut up things at the sink with your cutting board, and use this for food scraps or anything like that. Now keep in mind, we make these accessories for a dual tier functionality. This is for the lower tier. Both of these drop-in bowl and strainer are for the lower tier. Now we do make them to where you can rotate 90 degrees, and it would be, you can imagine, front to back wider, so it would fit on that top tier ledge just like that. Now this drop-in strainer comes in 3 sizes, 12, 15, and dual tier, which is about an 18-inch side to side, which allows it to fit on that top ledge. Drop-in bowl, same story. The drop-in bowl comes about 1.5 inches off the basin of the sink. It has a hole, it's a 1-inch wide hole. We have a plug that is included with the drop-in bowl, so it can be stopped up to fill with water. The best thing that I personally like about these accessories is the drop-in strainer actually fits right inside the bowl. It makes things easy. Really, there's nothing else like it. There's not another sink company that offers these accessories, and for that reason, we're really lucky to be able to come up with this idea for our customer base. Now, the drop-in bowl. This is something that is a very innovative concept. The drop-in bowl essentially converts a single bowl sink into a double bowl. Now, think about that. You have a single bowl sink, which many people are used to double bowls. This is something that provides a secondary basin that can be maneuvered to any side of your sink. As a handcrafted manufacturer, we do offer the customization to make these drop-in bowls as wide as you'd like. Now, this can be made 12, 15, 18 are our stock sizes, or we can make it even bigger. If we wanted to do like a 24-inch bowl, that's completely doable. Now, with the drop-in bowl, it's completely handcrafted as if it's a mini sink. The sides are welded. It's all hand-formed, handcrafted. It has drainage lines. You can see the 4 lines that are coming off the opening. That actually allows for perfect drainage, just as if the sink is made the same way.